Welcome to Next Gen Manufacturing. Have you ever wondered how millions of coconuts travel from tropical palm trees to the bottles, cartons, oils, and food products found in supermarkets around the world? Every year, billions of coconuts are harvested across tropical regions, making them one of the world's most valuable agricultural resources. But behind every refreshing bottle of coconut water, every can of coconut milk, and every jar of virgin coconut oil lies an extraordinary journey powered by modern engineering, automation, and precision manufacturing. Today, we're taking you inside one of the world's most advanced coconut processing facilities to witness every step of this incredible transformation. Let's begin. Our journey starts in vast tropical coconut plantations where thousands of mature coconut palms stretch as far as the eye can see. These plantations are carefully managed throughout the year to produce healthy, high-quality coconuts. When the fruit reaches the perfect stage of maturity, skilled harvesting teams begin collecting thousands of coconuts every day. Modern plantations combine experienced workers with hydraulic lifting platforms, telescopic harvesting tools, and mechanized transport systems to maximize efficiency while protecting both the trees and the fruit. Freshly harvested coconuts are gathered into massive collection areas before being loaded onto heavy-duty trucks. Speed is essential because freshness directly affects the quality of the final products. The loaded trucks then travel to enormous processing facilities where the real industrial journey begins. Upon arrival, every shipment passes through strict quality control procedures. Advanced optical scanners, AI-powered vision systems, and trained quality inspectors examine every coconut for size, maturity, color, and defects. Only the highest quality coconuts are approved for processing. Next comes the cleaning stage. Thousands of coconuts move continuously through fully automated washing systems equipped with powerful rotating brushes and purified high-pressure water jets. Dirt, dust, leaves, and natural debris are completely removed before the coconuts continue further into the production line. After washing, powerful dehusking machines remove the thick fibrous outer husk with incredible speed and precision. Interestingly, nothing goes to waste. The removed coconut husks are collected separately and later transformed into core fiber used for ropes, mattresses, floor mats, erosion control materials, and even horticultural growing media. Now the coconuts enter one of the most fascinating stages of the process. Precision robotic cracking machines split each coconut open while preserving the valuable white coconut meat inside. As soon as the shell opens, crystal clear coconut water flows into sterile stainless steel collection systems without ever being exposed to the outside environment. The fresh coconut water immediately enters enclosed filtration and pasteurization systems where advanced food safety technology preserves its natural taste while eliminating harmful microorganisms. Meanwhile, the empty coconut halves continue to another production line. High-precision extraction machines gently separate the thick white coconut meat from the hard shell. The shells themselves are far from useless. They are crushed and converted into activated carbon, renewable biomass fuel, and many other industrial products. The freshly extracted coconut meat is then thoroughly washed. Modern laboratories perform microbiological testing, nutritional analysis, moisture measurements, purity verification, and dozens of additional inspections to ensure every product meets international food safety standards. Once approved, the finished products move into one of the fastest parts of the factory. Fully automated filling machines package coconut water, coconut milk, coconut cream, and virgin coconut oil into bottles, cartons, cans, and food-grade containers. High-speed robotic systems then seal, inspect, label, and organize thousands of products every hour with remarkable accuracy. Next, robotic palletizers stack cartons onto export pallets while autonomous forklifts transport the finished products into intelligent warehouses. From there, refrigerated containers, freight trains, cargo trucks, and massive container ships distribute coconut products across the globe. Within days, these products arrive at supermarkets, restaurants, hotels, cafes, bakeries, and homes in countries thousands of kilometers away from the plantation where the coconuts were originally harvested. One of the most impressive aspects of modern coconut manufacturing is sustainability. Nearly every part of the coconut is transformed into something valuable. The water becomes beverages. The meat becomes milk, cream, flour, and food ingredients. The oil becomes cooking products and cosmetics. The husks become coir fiber. The shells become activated carbon and renewable fuel. Even wastewater is purified and recycled inside advanced treatment facilities. Modern coconut factories are designed to minimize waste while maximizing efficiency and environmental responsibility. Today, artificial intelligence, robotics, automation, predictive maintenance, and smart logistics continue making these factories faster, cleaner, safer, and more sustainable than ever before. From a single coconut growing beneath the tropical sun to countless products enjoyed by millions of people every day, this remarkable journey is one of nature and technology working together in perfect harmony. Thank you for joining us on this incredible tour inside a modern coconut processing factory. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at advanced manufacturing, make sure to subscribe to Next Gen Manufacturing for more fascinating factory tours, industrial engineering documentaries, and cutting-edge production technologies from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.